Welcome to Enlighten Study Point.
Hello everyone, welcome to Enlighten Study Point. আজি আমি ক্লাছ 9 social scienceৰ history partor chapter 1 advert of the Europeans into Indian সেই চেপ্টাৰৰ MCQ আনছো তো ভিডিওটো ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰাৰ আগতে মই সকলোকে কৈ চাইছো তুমি চেনেলটো সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি দিব question 1 দিছে match the following event or year A দি আছে capture of Constantinople তো এটো আসলে 1453 B Vasco da Gama arrived at Calicut port the answer আসলে 1498 C দিছে the English merchant form a trade organization the answer হব 1600 question D দিয়া আছে the battle of Plassey এটো হৈছিলে 1757 next question assertion the Portuguese were the pioneer in finding new sea route reason দিয়া আছে when Vasco da Gama discovered the new sea route this new communication ushered a new era not only in the history of India but of the whole world. Assertion শুদ্ধ, reason শুদ্ধ, and it is a correct explanation. Number 3, assertion দিয়া আছে the English sailor also paid attention to find new sea route to India. Reason দিয়া আছে the English merchant wanted to focus on trade with India with the discovery of new sea routes to India. Assertion শুদ্ধ, reason শুদ্ধ, and it is the correct explanation. Next question. Statement 1 দিয়া আছে Emperor Jahangir accepted the request for trade contract offered by Captain Hawking. Statement 1 ভুল দিয়া আছে 2 দিয়া আছে statement even though Thomas Roe could not sign any trade contracts but still Emperor Jahangir grant permission to the English merchant to establish factory at Surat. The statement 2 শুদ্ধ আছে 5 assertion the East India Company were able to establish English rule in India. Reason the East India Company beside trade were also ambitious for political power and they took advantage of the growing enmity and weakness among the Indian ruling classes. Assertion শুদ্ধ, reason শুদ্ধ, and it is a correct explanation. 6 number DS assertion there was a long period of British rule of subordination in India. Reason due to the downfall of the Mughal Empire and crushing of Sepoy mutiny of 1857. Assertion শুদ্ধ, reason শুদ্ধ, and it is a correct explanation. Next, number 7. Statement 1 দিয়া আছে the Mughal Emperor Shah Alam signed the Treaty of Allahabad with Robert Clive to give political authority over Bengal, Bihar, and Orissa. Statement 1 শুদ্ধ. Statement 2 Robert Clive introduced dual government in Bengal by conferring upon the company the right of diwani or collection of revenue and the responsibility of civil, criminal, and political administration. Statement 2 শুদ্ধ. Next, question number 8. Assertion দিয়া আছে the British government by the Regulating Act of 1773 named the governor of Bengal as Governor General and made the governor of Bombay and Madras his subordinate. Reason দিয়া আছে the Regulating Act of 1773 introduced two-tier administration in India. Assertion শুদ্ধ, reason শুদ্ধ, and it is a correct explanation. Next, number 9. Statement 1 দিয়া আছে the Government of India Act 1858 entrusted the British government with the power of ruling India directly. Statement 2 দিয়া আছে the Government of India Act conferred upon the British government the power to appoint the viceroy and provincial heads, governor, and also both the army of the East India Company under its control. Statement 1 শুদ্ধ আৰু statement 2 শুদ্ধ আছিলে. Next, number 10. Assertion আৰু reason দিয়া আছে assertion Lord Canning implemented Wood's dispatch in India and established an education department in each state under a secretary. Reason দিয়া আছে Lord Canning wanted to improve the education system in India. Assertion শুদ্ধ, reason শুদ্ধ, and it is the correct explanation. Next, number 11. Statement 1. The Indian Council Act of 1861 directed the formation of legislative assemblies at the center and the state. Statement 1 শুদ্ধ. 2 দি আছে the Indian Council Act of 1861 aim at making the state government powerful by incorporating the province of distribution of power between the center and the state. Statement 2 ভুল আছিলে. Next, number 12. Assertion দি আছে Lord Ripon laid the foundation of the local self-government in India. হয়. Reason দি আছে Lord Canning emphasized that a change in local self-government where along with boosting administration efficiency, there was to be a scope of using local self-government as a medium of the political education. The reason to ভুল দিয়া আছে. 13 number. Statement 1. The Charter Act of 1853 agreed to the appointment of the Indians to the highest post of administration. The statement 1 শুদ্ধ দি আছে. 2 দি আছে the Charter Act of 1833 directed the holding of competitive examinations for civil services. The statement 2 to ভুল দি আছে. 14. Assertion di ase kino the Montego Chelmsford report declared the policy of the government to hold civil services examination in England and India simultaneously. Assertion শুদ্ধ di ase. Reason to kiseno the British government formed the Hunter Commission in 1923 to implement the recommendation of the Montego Chelmsford reform. Reason to ভুল di ase. The next 15 number assertion. Provision was made to employ the Indians in civil services since the 70s of the 19th century. Assertion শুদ্ধ. Reason কি দি আছে the educated Indians appeal for the recruitment of the natives in the civil services post after the transfer of power of India into the hands of the British government. Reason to ভুল দি আছে. 16 number. Match the following দি আছে. চিপৈ মিটিনি হৈছিলে 1857. Battle of Plassey 1757. Treaty of Allahabad হৈছিলে 1765ত. তাৰপিছতে ডি দিয়া আছে লি কমিশ্যন, এইটো হৈছিলে 1923ত. 17 number. Choose the correct option. A দি আছে Satyendra Tagore, the first Indian to join the Indian civil service. To শুদ্ধ দিয়া আছে the Montego Chelmsford report. The report declared the policy of the government to hold civil service examination in England and India simultaneously. এইটো শুদ্ধ. C দিয়া আছে Viceroy Lord Mayo, the resolution on financial decentralization adopted during his tenure. C টো শুদ্ধ. D দিয়া আছে Warren Hastings, he implemented Wood's dispatch in India. D option to ভুল দিয়া আছে. Next, number 18. Statement 1 দিয়া আছে in 1661 Charles II, the King of England, married Portuguese Princess Catherine to acquire Bombay as a dowry. Statement 1 শুদ্ধ দি আছে. Statement 2 দি আছে Bombay became the head office of the East India Company since then. Statement 2 to ভুল দি আছে. Next, number 19. Statement 1 di ase the East India Company became more powerful in India during the governorship of Robert Clive. The statement 1 শুদ্ধ di ase. 2 di ase the Mughal Emperor Shah Alam signed the Treaty of Allahabad with Warren Hastings to give political authority over Bengal, Bihar and Orissa. Statement 2 to ভুল di ase. Next, question number 20. Statement 1 di ase kino the Sepoy Mutiny broke out during the reign of Lord Canning. 1 শুদ্ধ. 2 di ase Lord Canning took over a charge of Governor General after Lord Dalhousie. Statement 2 শুদ্ধ di ase. 21 di ase which of the following sequence of historical event occurred during the British rule in India in its correct chronological order. The প্ৰথম আছে Number 1 to Vasco da Gama arrive in India. Next 2 number হল এটো 3 অপশন তো উইলিয়াম হকিং arrive in Agra. Next হব Treaty of Allahabad. তাৰপিছতে 4 নম্বৰটো হ'ব কি The Mughal emperor name was scraped away from the coins of the company. তো এইকেইটাই কোৱেশ্চন আছিলে নেক্সট ভিডিঅ'ত আমি নেক্সট চেপ্টাৰৰ কুৱেশ্যনছবোৰ লৈ আনিম ভিডিঅ'কেইটা চাই ভাল পাইছে যদি লাইক শ্বেয়াৰ আৰু ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি দিব ধন্যবাদ